Hi everyone, it's Mima and this is my nail update or natural nail growth. And I know lots of you have seen that my nails are growing out and we've been talking about it. So I decided to make this nail update video and share it with you, what I did and everything else. So if you are interested to see natural nail growth and what you can also do, then just keep on watching and roll the intro. Okay, these are my nails and this is what I had on my nails for about 6 days, I would say, maybe a week. And as you can see, there is no chipping or anything like that. There's just some nail growth and you can see how the polish has moved. And I love this color, absolutely beautiful for this time of the year. And I have done paint nails with me with this color, so you can see it up on my channel if you're interested like in more details. But this color is so beautiful and I feel like I want to paint my nails with it again because it's very like unique and it has glitter and hollow inside it, like more hollow inside than glitter, and it's just this specific color. It's beautiful. I have had it on my nails for a while. I'm actually going to remove it, and yeah, let's remove it and see my natural nails. I'm just using some acetone to remove my nail polish, and that's basically what I use all the time. And I know that acetone is not the best, but it works for me, so that's what I prefer. So I'm just gonna remove that off camera because if I do like all my nails, it's gonna take so long and I don't want to bore you guys with it. So I'm just removing it, as you can see. And once I remove it, I'm gonna go and wash my hands, and this is how my natural nails are looking. They're growing in pretty nicely. I love actually this organic natural nail growth, and this is, as you can see, I have nothing on, no base coat, no oils or anything like that, just my natural nails. And I love that they are not dry or brittle or anything like that, so that's very important to me. But after that, I will be using some nail oil or cuticle oil. You can buy it, any brand I think offers it, and the elixir one is by Madame Glam and the other one is my natural blend. That's what I use all the time. And I just got in the mail the one by Madame Glam, so I have to try it out because it does have jojoba oil and very good ingredients. But I'm going to now use my own blend because that is something that I'm really used to it, and that is something that I've been trying out. So the base of my natural blend is jojoba oil, as well on the Madame Glam ones. They have very good ingredients, but trust me, you can never go wrong with jojoba oil or jojoba oil, however you pronounce it. I think jojoba, I don't know, or jojoba, I'm not sure. Anyways, just apply your cuticle oil and massage it in, and also underneath your nails. It's very important as well, and that's what I'm doing. And also I'm going to make sure that this oil is all over my hands as well, because I want to actually moisturize my hands too, because it's important, and especially during the winter time you don't want to have dry hands as well. And also aging first shows on your hands, so you know, moisturize. Using my other hand nail to push back my cuticles, and this is the most gentle way you can push back your cuticles. Also you can use some orange wood stick to push back your cuticles, or pushing back like tool for pushing back your cuticles. I do use it from time to time, just depends what I'm in mood for. And like lately I've been just using my other hand's nails to do that. And after I finish that, I go and wash my hands once again because I want it nice and clean. And I wanna now just do a little bit of filing. I'm filing my nails just a tiny bit because I do want to grow them out, but I also want to maintain kind of one length, and I will talk more about it in some other video why I decided to do that. Maybe in Paint Nails with Me we can talk more in details about it, but for now I'm just gonna file it a bit and that's gonna be it. I'm not going to apply any nail polish or anything like that. This is my nails, like 100% natural nails. There is nothing on them. So there you have it. I'm just really happy that my nails are growing, my hair is growing. You can watch a video about my hair because I actually filmed a video that is not about nails. What? Yes, I did. Hope you can check it out as well, and I hope I can share more videos with you and more of my personality, because I'm really like into it lately and I just really want to share with you guys, and I feel like we created this amazing community on here, so I hope you feel the same way. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and never let anyone do your sparkle. See you in my next one. Bye.